Don't you step on the flowers. Layla.
He's quick with a joke.
Is there anything you can't do, Faith?
See?
You don't get the
All right, perfect. And are you part of our Super Saver Shoppers Club? No, I'm not. Oh.
Excuse me, sir, has there ever been a robbery at this establishment?
Not that I know of. I don't know.
Hey, I think you're really cool. I like you a lot. Maybe we can hang out or something.
Yo, about to head into work, another day, another dollar.
Yeah, I'm about to head into work, another day, another dollar.
Guys, I'm the real Zendaya. I'm the real one, I swear. I'm the real one. All the other ones are fake. I'm the real Zendaya. I am not even joking. I'm the real Zendaya.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! He just ran off the road! Oh shit! He's off the road. He's in the. Oh shit! My god! He just jumped in the air. Okay. Holy shit!
Oh my god, it's not giving. Period, sis. It was supposed to give, but it didn't give. Oh my god, yes. He really thought he ate that? No. He is my 13th reason. Go off, sis. You ate and left no crumbs. Yes. Please. It's the fill in the blank for me. Oh my god, like, it's giving very much. Yes, very much.
Listen, everything is not an element of fucking surprise. I need you to relax your eyes. For real.
Look at all those chickens.
Oh, these? My boobies? My massive fucking titties? My super stuffed up milkies? My hunger bonger doinky boinkies? My fucking fabric stretching, wind flapping, gravity welling sex mounds? You mean these super duper ultra hyper goddamn motherfucking...
Death. Explain.
Devotion inspires bravery. Bravery inspires sacrifice. Sacrifice leads to death. So, feel free to kill yourself.
You stay positive. You always believe that everything is going to work out. How do you do it?
Well, I'll tell you my secret, sir.
I lie to myself. Every morning when I wake up, I say everything's gonna be okay, but I'm lying. And I don't know how much longer I can do it.
Have a swell night, sir.
I want to paint just pure emotions, like something unpredictable, like something out of shape. And Pandora's box, always there. How about God? Yes, God is there. How about horizon? Yes. 2/3 at the bottom, and then the body of liquid, the ocean. But horizon is there. Volcano, not in the center. In the center, something mysterious, like a rock.